Hi, this is David Cook. I'm one of the business law attorneys here at Cook & Gore. This short video is going to cover the issue of forming a business and how to do so legally. The two main things that we're going to talk about in this video are one, incorporation, and two, making sure that you have some sort of partnership or shareholder agreement. The first issue is incorporation. Now, the issue is making sure that you are going to be protected personally and that you're not going to have any kind of personal liability as the owner of a business. Whether your business is a single owner business or if you have multiple owners, you still want to make sure that you incorporate and that you follow the corporate formalities to make sure that you're not going to have personal liability. The idea is that if you sign a contract for the business or someone slips and falls on your business's property, you don't want them to be able to come back and sue you personally. So it's very important that you and your lawyer sit down and decide how to properly incorporate. There's going to be several different options available. You can set your business up as a limited liability company. You can set it up as a corporation. You can set it up as what's called a S-Corp, which is for small corporations. There's several other types, limited partnerships, limited liability partnerships. There are several different entities that are available to you, but the main ones are going to be LLCs and corporations. So you and your business attorney can sit down and figure out what is going to be the best solution for you. The second major issue when you're forming a company is going to be making sure that you and all of your partners know exactly how the business is going to be run. What we find is the most helpful thing is to have what's called a partnership agreement, or depending on the type of entity that you have, it may instead be called a shareholder agreement or a member operating agreement. But we're going to call it a partnership agreement for purposes of this video. Your partnership agreement will simply be an agreement between the partners as to how the business is run, how any conflicts are resolved, and then if you need to transfer any assets of the business or an ownership of the business, how that's taken place. For instance, this partnership agreement will cover if a partner dies, what happens to his ownership interest. It will also cover the situation of divorce, bankruptcy of a partner, or if the partner just wants to get out of the business and wants to sell his or her ownership interest. So it's very important to make sure that you have this type of agreement between the partners before you move forward with the nuts and bolts of getting the business started. I hope that this has been helpful to you and helps you know about these two important aspects of getting your business started. Certainly these are not the only issues that you need to be thinking about, but these are two of the most important and the ones that come up the most frequently in our practice. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 214-236-2712.